from this trunk I want to make a chair, a wooden chair I've seen on the internet that a guy built a chair. And it's a great spot with the full view of the mountains around us, so I think it will be a fun experience. And it's kind of in my hobbies of bonsai, like guiding branches on the tree and stuff, so it's all about creating all these small fun projects that's gonna keep me busy. Nej, nej.
Ah, allora, questo è il volante. Messa in moto. Questa qui c'è una sicurezza.
Sì.
Quindi devi sempre tenere schiacciato qui.
Quando guida?
Prima di partire. Sempre qua. Perché c'è una sicurezza se il nuotatore non va in moto.
Ok. Ah dai! No. Vaffanculo. Ma
Si può dire online?
sì, no vabbè.
Fammi vedere dove vuoi iniziare a arare.
Cioè dov'è che vuoi tagliare l'erba? Via.
Così meglio, vedi? Sta fermo un attimo.
Quindi deve avere una dichiarazione dei redditi congrua, non è che puoi dichiarare che guadagna 15.000 euro l'anno.
Magari il rimanente viene pagato nel giro di massimo 36 mesi, adesso non mi ricordo cos'è, con...
Perfetto, ecco la consigliere
Sicuro?
delle chiavi.
Perfetto.
Perfetto.
E complimenti.
Aiuto, invece che aiutarlo, vedete.
No.
Men måske er det bare at komme over ved siden af mig. Jeg ved ikke. Ja, Stine Brygge. There's a lot of time lapse in this video, and I do apologize. I hope you guys like it somewhat. I just had the idea of placing the camera in one spot and then do all this area part of the land we bought, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I just want to mention it's me trying something new, and yeah, just hope it works. I'm soon done with this part. Just need some blackberries done and a little more grass cutting, and then I can establish our gigantic vegetable production for the wedding, and then I can make a little bonsai growing garden for pre-bonsai trees, and a place where I can really grow the thickness of the trunks quicker than in a pot. It's been a dream of mine for a long time. So good week. We bought the house. I hope you like the footage from the notary. It was definitely a fun experience and something totally different than Denmark. There's still a lot of paperwork here in Italy, which is quite fun. It was definitely an experience. So yeah, we own the house now. Feels very good. My days are just brilliant. I can't help smile all the time because I'm just so happy to finally own an Italian stone house. So now it really begins. The thing you can hear right now, it's not a road, it's actually the river down in the valley. That me and my friend in the first video of working here on the land, that we went there. So that's the noise. Very noisy.